this video, we are going to talk about how to use the app Acapella to create split screen videos. This is a great app for musicians because it allows you to record yourself playing different parts of the same piece, and then you can put all of those parts together into one video. But it's also an excellent tool for collaborating with other musicians because you can record your part and then send the video off to someone else to add in their part. So let's take a look at how this app works. In the upper left-hand corner, you can see the symbol for the Acapella app. And once you click into the app, you're going to be looking for the same symbol in the bottom middle, and you're going to select that icon to start a new project. Then you're going to click again the red Record New button. And it brings you up to a bunch of different layouts that you can select from. So they have different sizes depending on the type of video you'd like to record, and also each layout has a different number of voices depending on how many musicians you'll have. The premium layouts have some really fun designs that you could choose, but today I'm just going to select a basic trio setup. You can select the length of your performance. I'm going to select 15 seconds for this example. And I'm going to start by clicking the upper left-hand square. That's where I'm going to record the first voice for my trio. And once it loads, you can see that I'm up there in that box. That's where my first part's going to go. Now, before I record, I click into the metronome setting. This is going to allow me to hear a click track in my ear as I'm playing. I always like to set my time signature to 1/4. It gives you the same sounding click every time. But if you'd like to select the actual time signature, that's okay as well. And now I'm ready to record. So I'm going to hit that red button on the right, and it's going to prompt me to use headphones if I don't already have them plugged in. It's going to be very important later to have headphones in so you can hear the other parts as you're adding a second or a third part to this video. So I'm going to click continue. It's going to count me in. I always wait a measure before I start playing, and then I'm going to play. Now, because I only selected a 15-second video, it's going to cut me right off at 15 seconds. If I selected a longer video, I could have manually stopped it. And now it's giving me a chance to review my video. If I like it, I'm going to click the check mark in the upper right. If I don't like it, I'm going to click the X in the upper left. I liked it, so I clicked the check mark, and it's loading that video into that layout. And next, I'm going to add another part on the bottom left. And this time when I hit record, I won't only be hearing the click track, but also the other part that I had just recorded. And now I'll have a chance to hear both parts together to decide if I'd like to keep that video or not. Again, it's really important to have those headphones in because you can listen to the first part you recorded to make sure the second part is really together with it in the same tempo. So I click that green check because I wanted to keep that take. And for this trio, I'm actually going to share it and ask to collaborate with someone on that right-hand side. So I click the share button, and I'm going to go down to collaboration, and then it lists all the different ways that I can collaborate. I selected email because I would like to email a copy of this to a friend. And what is going to happen is it will upload that video to an email and allow my friend to join and record their own part. So that's the basics in using this app. Of course, there are other features and different upgrades that you can purchase, but I think this will give you a good start in how to use it. So let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing some of the split screen videos that you make using Acapella.